Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Natalia and I'm back with another video teaching you today about marketing levers. As always, thank you for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. When I say levers, I'm referring to how you're positioning your offer, campaign, or brand to get people to take the action you want. Marketing levers include things like price, urgency, scarcity, social proof, likability, or reciprocity. Let's walk through each of those one by one so you can get more familiar with them. Keep in mind, we're covering the core levers, not all of them. Price. Are you offering a discount, running a buy more, save more promo, or a BOGO, buy one, get one sale? Price is an effective strategy for seasonal campaigns as well as increasing conversion, activating buyers, attracting new customers, and increasing revenue. Urgency. Urgency is often used for limited offers and can be associated with price or scarcity. Urgency has a strong impact on campaign success, although you shouldn't always use it as your only lever. Scarcity. Scarcity drives a similar result as urgency. We want what we can't have, so people are more likely to buy before it sells out. We also have a fear of missing out. For all you FOMO fans, that's actually a real thing and has been proven to drive results. The Psychology Bulletin stated, these appeals are effective at changing attitudes, intentions, and behaviors. There are few circumstances under which they are not effective. This statement was in reference to 50 years of research into the use of fear in sales. So remember, FOMO. Social proof. Social proof is a great lever that helps establish trust with your brand and increases purchase conversion. It's the human story and validation that is going to help convince people to buy your product. According to Impact, on average, testimonials on sales pages increase conversion by 34%, and the strategic factory stated using customer testimonials regularly can generate approximately 62% more revenue. Good reason to use social proof. Likability. Likability refers to how well your customer likes your brand. How are you attracting them and engaging them? This can be developed through your visuals and content. Reciprocity. Reciprocity is essentially creating an offer to customers in exchange for them taking an action with your brand or product. It's rewarding customers for certain behaviors you want them to do. I hope you now have a better understanding of marketing levers and can start leveraging them in your work. Remember to comment with any questions that you may have. I go a lot more in depth about marketing levers and how to use them in campaign planning in my Udemy course on integrated marketing. If you'd like to enroll, I'll be adding a coupon in the description of this video, as well as posting a video when it goes live on the marketplace with a coupon code. So make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on your coupon. Thanks for watching. See you next time.